हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑल इन वन वे। तो आज हम जानेंगे मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स क्लास 8 चैप्टर 4। Metals are strong and durable. Thus metals are used so widely for making almost everything. As we know that metals are very strong element and they are very durable. They are used in making trains. Physical properties of metals. As we know, metals are lustrous, malleable, ductile, and good conductor of heat and electricity. It means that metals are changes into thin sheets. One point, first point. Second, metal are solid at room temperature except mercury, which is liquid at room temperature. Metal have high melting point and low boiling point. Metal can be easily shaped into wires. Metal makes sound when struck with hard object. These are the five major points which are about which describe the physical properties of metals. Metals are very lustrous, malleable, and ductility, which changes into thin sheets. Also, non-metals. What is non-metals? What are they? Non-metals are non-lustrous, non-malleable, non-ductile, except for carbon free which are ductile. Some type of nonmetals are ductile, which are not carbon free. Non-metal are non-lustrous. They are non-lustrous and non-malleable, which are not changes into thin sheets. These are called non-malleable and non-ductile. Metals are malleable, non-metals are non-malleable and non-ductile. Non-metals are non-sonorous. They do not produce any when sound when heat. When we collide nonmetals with any metal or non-metal or anything, then it do not produce any type of sound on heat. Non-metals do not conduct heat and electricity except graphite. This point says that non-metals do not conduct heat and electricity except graphite. Only graphite conduct heat and electricity. Graphite is a non-metal but it conduct heat and electricity. Chemical properties of metals and nonmetals. Firstly, we know metals. What is the properties? Reaction with oxygen. Metals reacts with oxygen to produce metal oxides which are basic in nature. As we know that reaction with oxygen, when metals done, then it produce basic nature with oxides, metal oxides. Reaction with water. Some metal reacts with water to produce metal hydroxides and hydrogen gas. Some metals reacts with water H2O to produce metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. This is second reaction of metal. Third reaction. Metal reacts with acids and produce metal salts and hydrogen gas. When metal react with acid just like H2SO4 and all these things, then it produce hydrogen gas as H2 gas. As we know H2 gas, then it produce H2 gas with the metal salts. Fourth point, some metal react with gases to produce hydrogen gas. कुछ metals जो होते हैं वो रिएक्ट करते हैं गैसेस के साथ, जो क्या प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, H2 गैस प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. Fifth point is displacement reaction. What is displacement reaction? As we know that the reaction in which more reactive metal reacts with less reactive metal from their compound in aqueous solution. That वैसे रिएक्शन जो एक रिएक्टिव ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव मेटल को लेस रिएक्टिव मेटल को डिस्प्लेस कर देते हैं ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव मेटल मोर रिएक्टिव मेटल से, तो उसे हम कहते हैं डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. नॉन मेटल्स. Reaction with oxygen. Non-metal react with oxygen to form their oxides. Non-metals are acidic in nature or neutral in nature. As we know that non-metals when react with when oxygen react with non-metals, then it form their oxide O2, then it form O2. And when non-metals are acidic in nature, when non-metals are acidic in nature, then it they are neutral in nature. मतलब कि प्रोड्यूस करने के बाद जब नॉन मेटल रिएक्ट होता है ऑक्सीजन से, तब प्रोड्यूस करने के बाद वो न्यूट्रल इन नेचर और एसिडिक इन नेचर प्रोड्यूस करता है. As we know in general, non-metals do not react with water, through they may be very reactive in air. It means that non-metals do not react with water. When non-metals re- not react with water, it may be very reactive in air or produce pop sound. Therefore, third point is non-metal do not react with acid. As we know, non-metals not react with acid and metal react with acid. These differences and these properties are used in differentiation between metals and non-metals. Hence, we try up it uses of metals. What is the uses of metals? Metals are used in making machinery, automobiles, aeroplanes, trains, satellite, etc. All these things are made up of metal. Trains, automobiles, or industrial gadgets also. These things are made from metal. There are 118 elements: metal and non-metal and semiconductor. Semi-metal, non-metal. Uses of non-metals. Non-metals is essential for our life, which is all living beings inhale during breathing. As we know, non-metals are used in our daily life also. It is daily life essential. Non-metals used in fertilizers to enhance the growth of plants. Non-metals are used by us as a fertilizer to enhance the growth of plants. और उत्पादक के लिए हमें फर्टिलाइज़र का ज़रूरत होता है, जो कि नॉन मेटल्स होता है, जो नॉन मेटल से बनता है. नॉन मेटल्स आर यूज्ड इन वाटर प्योरिफिकेशन प्रोसेस. एज वी नो, नॉन मेटल्स जो होते हैं उन्हें हम वाटर प्योरिफिकेशन में यूज़ किया करते हैं. वाटर प्योरीफाइड करने के लिए, वाटर को प्योरीफाइड करने के लिए non-metals are used in the purple color solution, which is applied on wounds as an antiseptic. As we know, antiseptic is Dettol and all these things, but non-metals are used in the purple color solution, to on the wounds or cuts where anybody's like cut. There also we use this. Non-metals are used in crackers. In crackers also non-metals are used as a firecracker or all the things in which the cracking process happens. Again, thank you. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.